Welcome to Finducts, the place where we uncover the fascinating secrets behind the world's most iconic foods. Today, we're diving deep into the crunchy, salty world of Pringles. You know the taste, the satisfying crunch, the iconic stackable shape. But have you ever wondered how Pringles are really made? What's the deal with their perfect curve? Are they even made from real potatoes? Let's peel back the foil lid and journey into the futuristic factory where millions of these uniform chips are produced every single day. Stick around, the process might just surprise you. Chapter 1: The Potato Puzzle. Unlike traditional potato chips, Pringles aren't sliced from whole potatoes. Instead, they're made from a potato-based dough, sometimes called potato slurry. It all starts with a carefully selected blend of dehydrated potato flakes, corn flour, rice flour, and a touch of wheat starch. These ingredients are poured into industrial mixers where precise ratios are measured out by weight, not volume, to ensure perfect consistency in every batch. High-speed mixers blend the dry ingredients with water and vegetable oils until a thick, smooth dough forms, one that's starchy, pliable, and packed with potato flavor. This is where the science of snack engineering begins. Chapter 2: Dough to Disc. The potato dough is fed into a rolling system, where giant mechanical rollers flatten it into thin sheets, exactly 0.7 millimeters thick. Why so specific? Because every Pringle is engineered to fit perfectly in a stack. Any deviation in thickness would ruin that symmetry. Next, rotary cutters stamp out oval-shaped chips from the sheet. The leftover dough is recycled immediately, nothing goes to waste. Each oval cutout is now known as a proto-chip. But here's where the magic happens. Chapter 3: That signature saddle shape. Ever notice that Pringles have a perfect curved shape, like a saddle or a flying carpet? That's no accident. It's called a hyperbolic paraboloid, a shape chosen for both strength and stackability. Each protochip passes onto a conveyor belt where it's gently pressed into curved molds, hundreds at a time, using custom-designed forming machines. Why the curve? It distributes weight evenly in the stack, helps resist breakage, and even enhances the crunch. Now it's time to turn that dough into crispy golden perfection. Chapter 4: Deep-fried precision. The curved chips are sent through a massive tunnel fryer, where they're bathed in hot oil at over 300 degrees Fahrenheit for just 11 seconds. It's fast, hot, and controlled with military precision. Any longer, and the chips burn. Any shorter, and they stay chewy. The result? Chips that are crunchy, light, and perfectly cooked every time. Once fried, the chips glide onto a draining belt where excess oil is wicked away. But they're still missing something. Chapter 5: Flavor Explosion. Time to bring the flavor. As the hot chips travel along a seasoning belt, high-speed rotating drums coat each one with a blast of powdered flavoring, from the classic original to wild flavors like sour cream and onion, barbecue, or even pizza. The seasoning powder clings to the still warm surface of each chip like magic. Engineers fine-tune the angle, rotation speed, and powder flow rate to make sure every chip is evenly coated. No clumps, no bald spots. Just flavor perfection. Chapter 6: Stack and Seal. Here comes the most iconic part of all, the Pringles stack. Conveyor belts carefully funnel the chips into forming stations, where robotic arms gently stack them into neat, curved towers, exactly 90 chips per can, depending on the country. Once stacked, they slide into the famous Pringles can, which is made from a unique combination of cardboard, foil, and plastic. Each can is sealed with a foil freshness lid, topped with the iconic plastic cap, and labeled with bold colors and branding. Fun fact, this packaging was designed to reduce airspace, protect the chips from breaking, and keep the crunch locked in. Chapter 7: Quality and Quirks. Before shipping out, each batch of Pringles goes through rigorous quality control. High-speed cameras scan for broken chips, color inconsistencies, and irregular shapes. Any chip that doesn't pass the test is recycled back into the dough for future batches. That's right, Pringles are part of the zero-waste process. The final cans are boxed, labeled, and sent to distribution centers all over the world, ready to be enjoyed on couches, in lunchboxes, at parties, or straight from the pantry. Chapter 8: The Snack Icon. Launched in 1968 by Procter & Gamble, Pringles were originally invented to solve the age-old problem of broken, greasy chips in bags. Today, they're a global snack icon. Sold in over 140 countries, with dozens of flavors tailored to local tastes, Pringles is more than just a chip. It's a brilliant blend of food science, smart packaging, and global marketing. And now you know, every curve, every crunch, every can, was built with precision. So next time you pop open a Pringles can and hear that satisfying crackle, remember the engineering, the flavor science, and the innovation behind each crispy curve. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Finducts for more behind-the-scenes journeys into the world's favorite foods. Hit that bell so you never miss a bite. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and stay hungry.